Markit Forestry Management specializes in steep slope forestry operations, utilizing a variety of timber harvesting techniques. One such method is helicopter logging, a unique and versatile approach to timber harvesting that limits environmental impacts. Helicopter logging avoids the obstacles encountered with cable and ground-based systems, ensuring minimum damage to soil, water, and the values of the remaining forest. It provides expeditious timber removal and project delivery, minimizing access restrictions and the limitations of terrain slope. Additionally, logs arrive at the mill relatively free from stones, dirt, and debris, while crews are also able to harvest large volumes of logs quickly. Markit has a proven track record of safely performing steep slope helicopter logging operations while implementing best management practices. Contact our team today to discuss how Markit can help you achieve your forestry goals.